Meet Hannah, the Deakin hiring manager, and Debbie, the delegate. Before the One Deakin talent acquisition service, recruiting for a new staff member used to take a lot of time and administrative effort. There were lots of forms to fill out and items to follow up. However, with the new One Deakin talent acquisition service, this is all going to change. So how does it all work? Hannah needs to hire a new project manager. There is a little bit of preparation to do. Hannah works with Deb to check she has budget for a full-time role. As she is replacing a recently retired staff member, she can use an existing position. She is now ready for step 1. Hannah or her delegate will first of all raise a requisition by logging into Deakin Recruit and selecting a new job. From here, she'll simply follow the prompts, complete the mandatory fields, select the right approval framework, enter the relevant approver's details and submit. The approvers will receive an email and that is step 1 complete. Easy. Once the job has been approved, Hannah will proceed to step 2, where she'll be invited to attend a job brief meeting with Tom, her TA partner, and Salma, her sourcing specialist. Here, they'll talk about the recruitment process, including the role in detail, the ideal candidate, advertising and sourcing strategies, how many candidates Hannah would like to shortlist, who should be on the interview team, and if Hannah would like to follow up any written references with verbal reference checks. Hannah shares with Salma some of her professional networks, and Tom presents a potential candidate from the candidate pool, while also collecting information he needs to finalise the position description and the job evaluation. After the meeting, Tom will send Hannah a summary of the job brief meeting, including the agreed sourcing and advertising strategy. And just like that, step 2 is complete. It's now up to Tom and Salma to work their magic and find the right candidate for Hannah. At step 3, Salma initiates the sourcing strategy. She'll review the candidate CVs, complete the telephone screenings, and together with Tom, prepare a shortlist for Hannah to review, which concludes step 3. If at any time Hannah wishes to check where the recruitment is up to, she or Deb can easily log into Deakin Recruit and view the manager dashboard, or simply call the TA team. Once Hannah has received the shortlist, step 4 begins, and Tom will assist her in the review to determine who to interview. Shortly after the discussion, Hannah will receive an email with the candidate details, interview times, locations and questions, and a reminder of the various roles and responsibilities of the interview team. Once the interviews have taken place, the interview team will email their feedback to the TA team. Tom will then meet with Hannah to discuss and select their preferred candidate, who happens to be Kendra. Tom will initiate the online reference checking and will administer all the necessary pre-employment checks before we move on to step 5 to make an offer. Tom calls Kendra to tell him the wonderful news and advises him to log into the Deakin Recruit candidate portal to review and accept the contract and add personal details in the new starter screen. Once Kendra has completed all the required steps, we'll move on to step 6, where the automated onboarding process begins. Kendra will receive information that will help him get started at Deakin University. As his manager, Hannah will receive prompts to complete tasks to ensure his onboarding experience is positive, while the local HR administrators will initiate his local induction. And with that, the recruitment service is complete. Hannah couldn't be happier with her recruitment experience. Simple, intuitive technology and all the support she needed. Do you have a recruitment need? Simply contact the TA team at Deakin Recruit at deakin.edu.au or visit Deakin Recruit on HR Help to learn more.